Assalamu alaikum. If there is one type of food that we can include in our diet daily, what would your suggestion to that food be?
Yeah. Again, food is relative to each person's need. But you ask a question, if there is one food I would suggest you need to include, would be the seasonal fruits. Okay? I don't know what you were looking for. So if there is one food I would suggest to you to include, is really the use of local seasonal fruits and vegetables. Because this would mean you would have to understand what are the seasons, okay? And then what are your local vegetables in your season, and what are the local fruits in your season, which means you will reconnect with Allah's creation. You will reconnect with Allah, because you can only understand Allah with respect to His creation. That's why in the Quran Kareem, Allah has thousands of sentences and ayats and reminders that do you not reflect on how we created the earth and the heaven and the skies and the rain and the water and the birds and the fishes. Yeah? So it's about bringing you back to reconnect. So if you knew the seasons, you will start observing. And then you will start asking yourself, what are the vegetables that grow in my area in each season? And then what are the fruits in each season? Most people really don't know what season they're in and what are the fruits and vegetables that they grow in their locality. Because we live in a globalized situation, okay, where all the year round you can get everything. So for example, people can in England have strawberries in December. They eat strawberries in December while it's snowing.